interrupted with the qt6 Web Engine Widgets DLL blocking Qt project workflow. I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer. I've analyzed the conflict and I'm ready to show you the safest fix. As we prepare the manual solution for qt6 Web Engine Widgets, feel free to use the suggested utility for comprehensive system maintenance. This is the qt6 Web Engine Widgets, the C++ widget module for the Chromium-based Qt6 browser engine. It manages the hardware-accelerated rendering of web content inside apps like the latest Autodesk Fusion. If missing, the app's newsfeed or dashboard will appear as a blank window or report a graphic context failed to initialize. With the why out of the way, let's focus on getting you running again. Application-level DLL errors like this are usually resolved by reinstalling the affected software. Reinstall the latest official version of Qt project to replace qt6 Web Engine Widgets. If the error persists despite the new library files, we must verify if a simple synchronization conflict is preventing the file from loading. A quick reboot can determine if the error is transient. While it won't fix a deleted file, it can re-establish the connection between your software and the qt6 Web Engine Widgets file if the path was temporarily busy. Make sure to save your spot by bookmarking this video or hit the like button before you restart so you don't have to search for it again. If that didn't clear the error, follow these instructions to modify your system paths. If you need to pause the video to type these out, please do so. A restart won't fix broken performance counters, so we'll use step 3 to force a rebuild of those links. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type lodctr/r, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, performance counters often fail due to registry hive inconsistencies. By wiping and rebuilding these entries, we ensure the system can properly recognize and load the diagnostic library again. To avoid future system conflicts, there is one specific security trap we should discuss. Avoid the trap of unofficial file repositories for qt6 Web Engine Widgets DLL, as these platforms are frequently utilized to distribute persistent browser hijackers and unwanted adware. To help keep your environment stable and prevent recurring errors, consider an automated maintenance utility for your system. If manual fixes haven't helped, the resource below offers general information about optimization software related to qt6 Web Engine Widgets. If we successfully synchronize the missing library for qt6 Web Engine Widgets today, liking this video helps others find the solution. Subscribe for professional tech support